This is my 2007 RTV 1100 Kubota. Let's use it for plowing. Unfortunately, it's had its fair share of salt and stuff because I use it for plowing. Let's see what we're going to find when we look inside. Yeah, big holes, all rotted. So, the beam here was fairly good. I just had couple pinholes right here. So I've cut that out. And I've cut out a patch. So here's a patch. So I'm just going to weld that, and welded it and ground off all the extra weld like it always seem to have to do. Anyway, that's good. Just throw a little paint on there. Then I can start laying out some sheet metal here for the floor. Making progress.